your process could as well dehaze or improve the visibility. Is that a good assumption?
Yeah, totally correct. And in actual fact, if we kind of take things a little bit deeper into the technologies, um, most cameras, whether they're commercial or they're for professionals, the CCD or the CMOS sensors is actually capable of sensing beyond the typical visual range of around the 350 nanometers, down to 700 or so. On both sides, the top side where you have the UV, and then on the lower side where you have the near infrared, there are these sensors actually capable of taking a little bit more data beyond, like I said, the visual spectrum band. And that's the reason why, for instance, cameras or photographers can buy filters for UV light as well as filters, for infrared, because they impact the visual acuity, or the aesthetics, if you like, photography. Whereas for companies like ours, we're very much interested in those sidebands, upper and lower. So in a way, you could actually say that our technology already deals with multispectral imagery, simply because that information is already there anyhow. It's just suppressed.